In the realm of DevOps, managing access levels is crucial for maintaining security and compliance. This presentation will delve into the intricacies of recommending appropriate access levels, focusing on stakeholder access in Azure DevOps and outside collaborator access in GitHub. By understanding these aspects, organizations can ensure that their DevOps processes are secure, efficient, and compliant with industry standards. Access management is a critical component of any security and compliance plan. It ensures that only authorized individuals have access to sensitive information and systems. Proper access management helps prevent unauthorized access, data breaches, and other security incidents. In the context of DevOps, managing access levels effectively can streamline workflows, enhance collaboration, and maintain the integrity of the development process. Azure DevOps is a suite of development tools provided by Microsoft to support the entire software development lifecycle. It includes services like Azure Repos, Azure Pipelines, Azure Boards, Azure Test Plans, and Azure Artifacts. Each of these services requires different access levels for various stakeholders, making it essential to understand how to manage permissions effectively within Azure DevOps. Stakeholders in Azure DevOps are individuals who need to view project progress and provide feedback, but do not require full access to development tools. They typically include project managers, business analysts, and clients. Azure DevOps offers a stakeholder access level, which is free and provides limited access to work items, dashboards, and basic reporting features. This access level ensures that stakeholders can stay informed without compromising the security of the development environment. Azure DevOps allows for granular permission settings, enabling organizations to define specific access levels for different roles. Permissions can be set at the organization, project, and repository levels. Common roles include project administrators, contributors, and readers. Each role has predefined permissions, but these can be customized to meet the specific needs of the organization. Properly managing these permissions is key to maintaining a secure and efficient development environment. GitHub is a widely used platform for version control and collaboration, allowing developers to work together on projects from anywhere in the world. It supports both public and private repositories, making it a versatile tool for open source and enterprise projects alike. Managing access levels in GitHub is crucial for protecting intellectual property and ensuring that only authorized collaborators can contribute to a project. Outside collaborators in GitHub are users who are not part of the core team but need access to specific repositories. These could be contractors, external partners, or community contributors. GitHub allows repository owners to invite outside collaborators and assign them specific permissions, such as read, write, or admin access. This flexibility ensures that external collaborators can contribute effectively without compromising the security of the entire organization. GitHub provides a range of permission levels to manage access to repositories. These include read, triage, write, maintain, and admin. Each level offers different capabilities, from viewing and commenting on issues to full administrative control. Repository owners can assign these permissions based on the collaborator's role and responsibilities. Properly managing these permissions helps maintain the security and integrity of the project while enabling effective collaboration. To ensure effective access management in both Azure DevOps and GitHub, organizations should follow best practices such as the principle of least privilege, regular audits of access permissions, and the use of multi-factor authentication. Additionally, documenting access policies and providing training to team members can help maintain a secure and compliant development environment. Implementing access controls involves setting up and configuring permissions according to the organization's security and compliance requirements. In Azure DevOps, this might include defining custom security groups and setting permissions at various levels. In GitHub, it could involve configuring branch protection rules and using GitHub Actions for automated security checks. Effective implementation of access controls helps mitigate risks and ensures that only authorized individuals have access to critical resources. Regular monitoring and auditing of access levels are essential for maintaining security and compliance. In Azure DevOps, organizations can use built-in auditing features to track changes to permissions and access levels. GitHub also provides audit logs and security alerts to help repository owners monitor access and detect potential security issues. By regularly reviewing access logs and conducting audits, organizations can identify and address any unauthorized access or policy violations. Consider a case study of a software development company that successfully implemented access management in Azure DevOps and GitHub. By defining clear access policies, regularly auditing permissions, and using multi-factor authentication, the company was able to enhance security and streamline collaboration. This case study highlights the importance of a well-defined access management strategy and demonstrates the benefits of effective access controls in a DevOps environment. In conclusion, recommending appropriate access levels in Azure DevOps and GitHub is a critical aspect of developing a security and compliance plan. By understanding the different access levels, managing permissions effectively, and following best practices, organizations can ensure a secure and efficient development process. Key takeaways include the importance of the principle of least privilege, regular audits, and the use of multi-factor authentication to enhance security.